guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Destiny and we are here in my Plum paper vertical priorities planner, and we are on a mission to film 2 months of content in the next like 3 days so that I have all of my plan with me set up and we don't miss a beat planning together. So I have already done all of these videos. I started on Tuesday filming all of this extra content for you guys. So I'm already done and I'm already on to the second checklist, and then I just have these ones to finish, probably up to the 21st, because I think my husband comes home on the 21st of September. And we are already on August 25th. So we'll do a quick flip just so you guys can see all of these planner spreads set up. I do already, if you're watching this video, have all of these videos on YouTube for you guys to view, but they're obviously not filled out yet because it's literally only July 18th. So the base is filled out, but I have not actually been in them. That's why there's no extra information listed here. And then in the top 3 section is where I will be putting my YouTube uploads for the week. I said 25th to the 31st. Yes. Woo! We're almost into September, y'all. We're gonna do it. We're gonna freaking make it. What was I saying? Oh, but I haven't put any content on here yet for my YouTube and TikTok stuff because I'm filming so far in advance that I do not actually know. Let me go ahead and take this off. You know how we do. I do not actually know what all content I'm going to be able to get other than my weekly videos, but I don't want to pre-write them in until the night before, probably, the week starts. But for now, we are able to put in my cleaning tasks and my deep cleaning tasks and then just chat a little bit. So I know it's not exactly... maybe it's not as interesting as my normal weekly setups are whenever I'm filming a few days before the week starts, because it's not current. Like I said, I'm filming so far in advance that I don't have plans for these weeks yet. Real quick, I'm using Tombow 451, and then I pulled out my TCMC. I think this was the Winnie the Pooh 2.0 version. So we're going to be using that as well. But yeah, so I don't have plans for these weeks yet. So all I can really do is get the base set up and then just hope that you guys enjoy it. Hope that you are just here to hear me ramble and set up your planners as well. Grab some coffee, hang out with me. Let's do the thing. And then as the weeks come, maybe what I could do, since I'm filming so far in advance, maybe once the week arrives, I can do a little short and update the spread if I have any additional information in. Maybe that is something that I could do. But these long form content videos, I just knew that once my husband is gone and I'm left alone with my toddler and my baby, I was just not going to be able to get down here in my office and film a video for you guys and be able to concentrate without having, screaming and crying and disruptions and stuff. I probably wouldn't have been able to like mentally film the video for you guys because I would have been so flustered. So pre-filming, I've been filming like 3 to 4 videos every single day back to back. My voice is a little sore, but I just wanted to be here for you guys, and I wanted to be able to film and have a video up for you guys every single week, even though my husband is gone. And it will give you the opportunity to leave a comment for me down below, and I can in real time reply back to you, and we can still chat. And y'all are my besties. I don't have any real life besties that live in the state that I live in. Everyone lives out of state. So like, y'all are my besties, okay? Y'all are going to be keeping me sane during this time. Right here, I like to write focus. And this is going to be, whatever the focus of my devotional this month is what I'm going to write here, just so whenever I come to my week, I can see what I'm focusing on and try to keep my mind set on that. So that is the goal. I'm going to grab my Moterm box real quick. So where did I put it? Oh, I have it right here since I'm doing all this pre-filming. I have all my stuff piled around me. Okay, so we're going to flip through this. Okay, actually, I love this. I have been loving coming in here, and I just feel like the first sticker I grab is the sticker that the Lord wants me to have. And so that's making me really happy. Like every time, like it's the first sticker that I've been grabbing lately has just been speaking to me. And all this one says is pray. And like, y'all know that I'm going to need to, I'm going to need to sit with the Lord while I'm solo momming it. I am going to need to pray and just give it all to him. Give all my stress, all my anxiety, all my worries, all my anger, all of it. I'm going to have to give it all to the Lord. And it's going to be hard, but I'm going to have to do it. I'm going to have to work real hard to do it. So I'm just going to, stick that. Wait. I'm going to stick that right here as straight as I can. That is precious. Love it already. Okay. And then right here, I'm going to do my little scribbly dibbly. You know what? I should probably put the washi down first so that, I don't know, the spread feels more complete. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to, it's too close to that. Okay. I'm going to put that there. And then over on this side, too, I still have not figured out what to use this little section down here for. And you know what's crazy is since I'm filming so far in advance, you guys have not had the opportunity to leave me your ideas of what I can do down here since I am using the Erin Condren dashboard as my health and fitness planner. But I have been doing this all the weeks that I've been pre-filming, and I just know it. One of y'all is going to leave me the best idea to use down here, like what I can put in my health section down here, and I have washi on top of it. But I just know that one of y'all has the best idea to tell me what to put down here. Y'all just haven't commented it yet. And then I'm going to be like, I'm going to have to figure it out with this washi down here so that I can do it. Because y'all literally give me the best ideas. Whenever I ask for like y'all's thoughts and ideas, y'all give me the best. The best. So yeah, I'm excited for you guys to start commenting on these videos once they start going live so that y'all can share y'all's ideas with me. So let me see what my deep cleaning task for this week is. It's the 25th to the 31st. So it is bedrooms. My neighbor just walked outside and I swear we just locked eyes as I'm like smiling and grinning and talking to my camera. Don't mind me. Just talking to my besties. Okay. The task is bedrooms, and then I have a tab all the way at the beginning, the like little spread that they give you here. These are my deep cleaning tasks for my bedroom. So I'm going to write them here. And I like to make it like a little checklist because nothing is more satisfying than checking something off of your to-do list. So we have changed the bedding, rotate bed, dust furniture, declutter closets, which is something I need to do. I need to get rid of some clothes and some shoes. I have like, does anyone have like clothes and shoes from like when you lived a different life and then you just never got around to getting rid of it? And so now like I'm a mom and like I don't do some of the things that I used to do when I was newly 21, if you catch my drift. And so like I go in my closet and I see some of these things and I'm like, oh, girl, imagine me in that now. Woo-wee. It's just, yeah, I need to get rid of it. Okay, we have clean under bed. And then we have clean the mirrors and windows. Okay. And then I need to make my little self-care and orders sections. Oops. Which we will do here. Self-care. Which I feel like I say in every one of these setups so far, since I'm pre-planning and I don't really know how this time without my husband is going to go. But I don't really know what I'm going to do for self-care. Like, maybe I can paint my nails. Maybe I can brush my hair. Speaking of, hey, since we are technically in this week right now, this is probably really trippy for y'all to be watching this an entire month and a half out, and I'm still over here in July, but we're planning into the last week of August. But I brushed my hair this morning, guys. And she was tangled. She had some mats because the way I sleep in my bed while breastfeeding my son, I'm like rubbing my head back and forth as I'm turning from side to side all night. And so it really gets matted up. And then I just don't brush it because it's tangled. And I have broken so many brushes by getting so frustrated by my hair being so tangled that I just smack my brush on the counter. It's embarrassing. I've broken like 3 brushes in my life because I couldn't get my hair brushed and I was just getting so frustrated. So I brushed my hair this morning and I'm feeling like a whole new woman. Like, who knew that brushed hair could make you feel so good? Okay, I'm over here, I'm feeling good. Let me just say. So I'm really proud of myself there. Okay, and then last thing we need to do is write a verse of the week. So I'm going to go into my Bible chat app and it will have a verse for me. Let's see what it is. Maybe. Did I speak too soon? Am I not going to have a verse? There it is. Okay. I was about to say, do I not get a verse? Hello? Okay. It says, ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and it will be open to you. Amen. Love that. Okay. So I'm going to highlight the ask, seek, and knock. I like that. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and it will be open to you. I am loving my functional planning era. I don't think since I've started my YouTube channel, I have been a functional planner. Okay, and this is Matthew 7:7. So we have ask, seek, and knock. But yeah, I'm hating that I have been forced into this season with my husband being gone, especially now that I'm with 2 kids. Like, it was hard enough when my husband deployed 2 years ago when I only had 1 kid. So I just don't know how, this season, I just know this is going to be really, really hard now having 2 kids and being alone. But this is how this spread came out. I absolutely love it. I think it is beautiful. So we can go ahead and come over to the current week and check off that we filmed 25th to the 31st. This is literally my favorite planner to be in right now. Like, the next video I should technically film is my dashboard for the 25th to the 31st. Okay, just to keep in order so I don't get confused. I might do so. Nope. I just want to go straight back into, I just want to be in this planner, man. Okay, so anyways, that doesn't matter. That is how this spread came out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me close it. Okay, let me know what you thought of this video. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to chat with y'all. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!